If you're like me, you love ginger snaps, ginger ale, and gingerbread houses. But did you know that ginger has amazing benefits that can help you stay healthy? Today we'll be discussing 5 reasons you should be keeping ginger on hand. Ginger is used as a spice in many foods, especially Asian foods, to make them taste wonderful. But ginger has medicinal qualities and is safe for nearly everyone to take. The root is used in cooking and as medicine and can be used either fresh or dried and powdered. You may know that ginger ale can help settle your stomach if you are nauseous because of a stomach bug or morning sickness. Sipping on ginger ale made with real ginger can relieve that horrible feeling that you may see reruns of breakfast any second now. But if you don't like the fizz of carbonated drinks, you can make a wonderful ginger tea that works as well or even better than the ginger ale. I will leave a recipe in the description below. And go low and slow with ginger ale or ginger tea. Too much ginger can cause stomach pains, so sip it slowly. As always, if you are pregnant or nursing, if you use prescription medications or have a chronic health condition, always check with your healthcare provider to make sure that any herb you are interested in using is safe for your particular circumstance. Ginger taken in small amounts should be safe to treat morning sickness, but ask your personal doctor first for his or her okay. In addition to nausea from gastroenteritis, ginger can also help relieve gas and bloating and was shown in a 1982 study published in the Lancet to prevent motion sickness better than Dramamine. Ginger was also shown to be better than acetaminophen at relieving knee pain in patients with moderate to severe osteoarthritis in a study in 2001. 63% of the patients taking ginger reported decreased pain versus 50% of the acetaminophen group. The ginger group also needed less breakthrough pain medication than the acetaminophen group. Ginger contains multiple constituents, and at least 4 of these have been shown to be antimicrobial against bacteria and fungi such as E. coli and Candida. Drinking a cup of ginger tea might help prevent you from getting an infection and possibly treat an infection you already have. If you're learning something new, please hit that like button. Ginger is also a great source of antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and is very important. But some constituents have also been shown to possibly help fight cancer in 3 different ways. By turning on the tumor suppressor gene in your cells that enables your body to prevent cancer cells from replicating, by inducing cancer cells to self-destruct, and by inhibiting VEGF, a substance which increases the blood supply to tumors. When VEGF is inhibited, tumors don't get enough oxygen and nutrients to keep growing out of control. Ginger extract has been shown to decrease fasting blood glucose in studies of animals with both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. While studies need to be done to prove this effect in people, wouldn't it be lovely to drink a cup of ginger tea without the honey to help control your diabetes? If you have found this information helpful, but you want more information on using herbs for better health, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn how a simple cup of ginger tea might help you be healthier. Stay healthy, plant that ginger, and have a blessed week.